Have you ever thought about a cow, a creature that looks like a normal animal, eating only grass and producing a powerful food like milk for us? How does grass change into milk, anyway? The cow's body works like a natural biological factory. When it eats grass, it's not directly digested. The cow's stomach has 4 different chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. The grass first goes to the rumen, where millions of microbes start breaking it down. But that's not the end of the process. The cow brings back the half-digested grass into its mouth and chews it again. This is called cud chewing. This turns tough plant fibers into small nutrients, which is why cows can digest things humans can't. Now, here's the amazing part. When these nutrients are absorbed into the cow's blood, they reach the mammary glands. The body's cells combine these nutrients to make milk molecules: protein, fat, lactose, and minerals all come together to create that white liquid we call milk. But the cow doesn't do this alone. It has billions of bacteria and microbes in its stomach that help with digestion. It's a whole microbial ecosystem working inside the cow. So, next time you see a cow eating grass, remember, it's not just an animal. It's a living biological factory of nature, turning ordinary grass into milk for us. If you like learning about the amazing secrets of science and nature, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.